How to start investing in the stock market for beginners, step by step. Have you ever heard someone say, you should invest in the stock market and thought, okay, but how exactly? Or worse, you wanted to invest, Googled a few things, and ended up in a rabbit hole of confusing charts, loud opinions, and random crypto ads. You're not alone. Most people want to start investing, but fear, confusion, and bad advice keep them stuck. And here's the truth. If you don't learn how to invest now, your money will lose value every year thanks to inflation. But if you do start today, even with small amounts, you can build wealth faster than most people ever will. So, in this video, I'm giving you a clear, step-by-step guide to start investing in the stock market, even if you know nothing right now. And trust me, step 6 is where the real magic begins. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand what you're actually doing. First things first, you need to understand what the stock market really is. Forget the movies. It's not just a bunch of guys yelling on Wall Street. Think of the stock market like a giant marketplace where you can buy tiny pieces of big companies like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. When those companies grow, your pieces, called shares, grow in value too. That's how your money grows. But here's the part no one tells you. You don't have to be rich or even super smart to invest. You just need a plan. Step 2. Set clear investment goals. Before investing a single dollar, you need to set clear goals. Are you investing to retire early? To build passive income? To buy a house in 10 years? Your goals shape your strategy. No goal, no direction. Would you get in a car with no destination? Exactly. Your investments need GPS too. Step 3. Open a brokerage account. Now you need the right tools. And that starts with opening a brokerage account. This is like your gateway to the stock market. Popular platforms like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, or Webull let you start with as little as $5. Set it up just like a bank account, but this one actually grows your money. Quick tip. Pick a platform with no trading fees, great support, and a clean mobile app. If it looks like a 2003 website, run. Step 4. Start with index funds. Here's where it gets real. You need to decide what to invest in. For beginners, start with index funds. They're low-risk, low-maintenance baskets of top companies, like the S&P 500. Instead of picking one company and hoping for the best, you're betting on the market as a whole. It's like buying a smoothie with 500 fruits. If one fruit goes bad, the smoothie still tastes great. Step 5. Automate your investing regularly. No matter what the market's doing, is your secret weapon. This is called dollar cost averaging. It means you invest a fixed amount every month or week, and it removes emotion from the game. You'll buy during highs, lows, and everything in between, and it all averages out. Want a real-world example? If you invested $100 per month in the S&P 500 for the past 10 years, you'd have over $20,000 today. And that's not counting dividends. Let that sink in. Step 6. Stay emotionally strong. Let's talk emotions, because the stock market will test you. It goes up. It goes down. People panic. News headlines scream. But guess what? The market has always recovered. Always. Your job? Stay calm and stay invested. As they say, time in the market beats timing the market. You're planting seeds, not playing roulette. Step 7. Avoid this one. Common trap. The biggest trap? Checking your portfolio every hour. It's investing, not Instagram. Put it on auto invest. Trust the process. Focus on living your life. You now have the foundation most people never build. But we're not done yet. Because there's one principle that turns small investments into life-changing wealth. And that's compounding. It's the concept Albert Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world. Want to know how compounding can turn just a few dollars a day into millions? Click the video on your screen now. and I'll show you exactly how it works. This is Dollars Drift, where your wealthy future begins. Thank you for watching. If this video resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.